Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you some hidden features or some features that might not be hidden for you, but some important features that a Snapchat user must know. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So now the first feature I want to tell you about is this wide camera option that just recently launched. So basically you can use your wide camera as well now on your Snapchat. Previously you did not have that option, and sometimes on some phones the camera is usually zoomed a bit, so normally what you would see in the camera, even that you cannot see on the Snapchat. So this option really makes it easier for you guys to take much more scenery into the photo. So once this option, so that's one feature. Now they have added a director's mode, right? You can always search for lenses and add lenses here. You can constantly make pictures, and you can you can add more snaps. You can see 0.7 seconds, 0.7 seconds, 1.8 seconds. So basically you can make a video out of it, right? You can create your Instagram reels from right here. So that is one way. You can press this gallery button and you can access the photos that are existing on your gallery. So that is another good feature that probably might some people might not know. And then you can go to your you can add a music from here, and you can basically just constantly
Press preview,
you can
preview,
more
and
you can
snaps.
send it ahead. So that is also one good feature. Now another feature that I'm gonna tell you, so I'm just gonna play a song real quick and I'm gonna search for it. Now you see below this plus button there's this scan button. You have to press that. So I'm gonna run a song and then I'm gonna search for it, right? Now you see I just played this song Bones by Imagine Dragons, and it quickly fetched it for me. And you can always look for songs here. And one more thing, if you scroll down, actually you can discover more features like discover song. We already did. You can always solve a math problem. You can scan a problem, and you can scan a problem and it will solve it for you. Okay, more things here is how you can identify a dog's breed, and you can identify a plant, you can identify a car, you can find product, health facts, and other things, right? So now that's done. And one more thing you should know is that previously users could not change their username on Snapchat, but now, as a matter of fact, you can change your username. You simply go to your settings, you go to your username, and then you press change username, and now it tells you that you can change your username only once a year. I don't want to change it, so I'm just gonna go back. So that is also one cool feature. And some features are also in Snapchat Plus. You can always learn about them here. They're all self-explanatory. And other than that, uh, you can use upload filters. Sorry, you can use upload filters, and you can just upload a photo from your gallery, and you can send them as a snap to your friends. So, right, so like I can send them as snap. Usually they are sent as a chat. And for Android users, if you want to take a screenshot of a chat, you can always screen record, and you can screen record, and then you can take a screenshot from out of it. On iPhone, unfortunately, it is built in such a way that it always informs the user. So that is one way. And I think the Android users can also turn the airplane mode on, and then they can take a screenshot, and then they can clear the memory from their task manager. You can force stop the app, and then you can rerun the app with the airplane mode on, and that is also one way of taking a screenshot. So if I press this plus button, let's see if there are more features. Yeah, we have this new feature, which is the dual camera. And then now once my front camera, you can see my hair, and one's the rear camera, which is blocked since it's on the table. So that is also a cool feature. You can toggle the modes here on it, and you can add music to your snaps. You can, there's so many things that you can now actually do on Snapchat. You can add a timer, and it will take a 3-second snap. You can always edit the timer as well, how long you want the timer to be, and you can set the length of your recording here. Okay, now that's that. Now one more thing, the flash has changed a bit, so now you can change the flash to a ring flash, and you can customize the flash itself. So that's another cool feature. So now we have this new improve your snaps tones, so you can change the exposure of snaps. So that is also one feature. So one important feature that I forgot to discuss is the multi-snap. So now some people usually want to boost their snap score, so this is the perfect feature for them. You can take multiple photos. Let me turn off the flash. Press, 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 press. 10 snaps have been captured, and you can send them to a shortcut, and then you can select people, and then boom, instantly you're just gonna boost your snap score to like 400, 500, depending on how many friends you have added on your shortcut. So there are plenty of options here on Snapchat. I think I discussed pretty much all of them. One more option that I would like to discuss is if I press this drawing button. Sometimes you just don't want to take a selfie, so you just send a S as a streak. You can press on this little emoji button here, and you can make something out of this, like, so that is also a cool feature in my opinion. You can create something funny out of these emojis, and you can customize them in whatever artistic way you could. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.